Now let's consider this word problem. It says find the consecutive even numbers. Let's even start from there. Consecutive even numbers. What do we mean by this? When even numbers follow each other in an unbroken sequence. For example, 2 is an even number. The next even number after 2 has to be 4. After 4, it has to be 6. You can't jump to 10, because if you try that, this is no longer consecutive. So I have to take this from here, for instance. Now, the difference between 4 and 2 is 2, right? So that means that if you have an even number, the next consecutive even number, the difference between the two even numbers has to be 2. It's a constant. And when we read on here, it says such that 7 times the smaller number. Now let's even assign x. So I'm going to say let x be the smaller number, be the smaller even number from what I have here. Then the greater even number would be x plus 2, because 2 is a constant when you are comparing an even number with the next consecutive even number. X plus 2 is the greater number. Now, if you complete this question, it says that such that 7 times the smaller number, so 7 times the smaller number is x, is subtracted from 9 times what? The greater number. This is the greater number. X plus 2 is the greater number, x plus 2. So you have to include this in a bracket. And they said the result makes 46. So this is 46. And we're asked to find the consecutive even number. Let's do that by solving this equation and getting the value of x. Now, if you expand this, 9 times x is 9x plus 9 times 2 is 18. 7 times x is 7x is equal to 46. Okay, 9x minus 7x is 2x. And when you subtract 18 from both sides, you are going to have 46 minus 18, which gives you 28. And when you divide both sides by 2, x will be equal to what? 14. So what this means is that the smaller number is 14. The smaller even number is 14. And the greater even number, we already said let it be x. It is already x plus 2. So that has to be 16. So the numbers are 14 and 16. I'll see you in the next one.